What is the most powerful technique that you can follow to manifest almost anything in your life? And this technique works so amazingly that you will see the results within few days. Most of the people have manifested their dream lives using this method, and this works so fast that you can attract almost anything like a dream house, a dream car, a love relationship, your career, money, anything. You just use this technique, you put your feelings into it, and you see the manifestations coming into reality. This technique is Nikola Tesla's 369 technique, and how to use this technique we will learn the complete details in this video. We will learn how to use that technique to manifest and attract anything. So make sure you listen to it completely so that you can ease your manifestation. So according to Nikola Tesla, number 3, number 6 and number 9 are considered to be the divine numbers. That's why this technique works so fast and so miraculously for everyone and in every area you desire to manifest. So if you know the importance of number 3, 6 and 9, you can unlock the treasure box that the universe holds. So for using this technique, you have to take your one intention at a time, and you have to write this intention on a paper or in a notebook. So you have to write this one intention in 3 different ways. And how can you write it? I'll explain this to you. Suppose you are writing this for attracting money. So how will you write it? The first way you can write this is by writing I am a money magnet. The second way you can write it by being specific to it. I am earning the amount. You can write the amount you would like to attract. Suppose we take an example of $1,000. So you write I am earning $1,000 in this particular time. You have to write the time phrase I am earning $1,000 every month. Write it like this. The third way you can write it is by writing money comes to me easily and effortlessly. So this was one intention about the money, and you wrote it in 3 different ways. So this works very amazingly because your subconscious mind gets 3 choices at a time. So now it was the basic part you have to do. You have to make 3 affirmations for that one intention. I have given you an example already how you can make affirmations for one intention. Now what you have to do is you have to repeat these 3 affirmations 6 times a day. In one day you will repeat 3 affirmations 6 times. That means these 3 affirmations you are writing, you will write it for 6 times a day at different times. Not writing it for 7 times or 5 times. You will write it for 6 times. The time for writing it is 3, 6 and 9. 3 p.m., 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. in the evening. And after this you will write it at 3 a.m., 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. You are writing that one intention in 3 affirmations in the 3 different ways, and you are gonna do this process for 9 days. That is called novena as described by Nikola Tesla. So for 9 days you are gonna repeat this pattern So why 9 is considered divine? Because in early times Christians used to pray for 9 days and they call it novena. So this is considered very divine, and this is being used by Nikola Tesla. He observed it and he used it in this method. So another example for relationship, how can you use this technique? So your intention is to attract a relationship with a specific person. So how will you write 3 affirmations for it? First one being, I am worthy of love that I desire. Number 1. Number second affirmation could be, I am enjoying my relationship with name of the person. You can write here, I am enjoying my relationship with Kylie. Third affirmation could be, love flows into my life effortlessly and easily. So these could be 3 affirmations for that one intention of manifesting love or relationship into your life. So make your affirmations and write down in the comment section so that people can get help out of it and they can also make their affirmations. So I will sum it up for you all. What you have to do is, you have to set one intention and then you will make 3 affirmations out of that intention. The meaning of all of them is gonna be same because the intention is one. As I have explained previously, how you can make affirmations out of that one intention. After setting the intention, you will repeat this process for 6 times a day. The time being very specific: 3 a.m., 6 a.m., 9 a.m., then 3 p.m., 6 p.m., 9 p.m. This whole process will be done for 9 days, and this is how you will complete this whole technique. The main thing is to put your feelings into this technique. Feel as if you already have it. That's the main thing that makes this process happen and work for you, and you are gonna manifest anything you desire and that intention you are working upon. So if you think getting up at 3 a.m. in the morning is being crazy, so if you want that intention, if that is important to you, you will wake up and you will do that technique for it. The universe is watching you. You have to put that feelings that yes, that thing matters to me. You have to show that thing matters to you. That's how you are gonna manifest it.